We are now going to do part 10 of scrunchy hairstyles for your thin, fine hair. Today's style can be used instead of a traditional messy bun. Either if you don't like messy bun or you struggle with the messy bun, this could be a little bit easier of a version of a messy bun for some people. I'm going to turn around and do it from the back because that's going to be the easiest way to see fully what I'm doing. So I will talk you through it while you watch.
So I use my hands here instead of a brush to brush all my hair back. I do this to keep it looking soft and more organic instead of really tight and refined, because that's how I like it, but you could use a brush if you prefer. I use my scrunchie to tie my hair into a ponytail as tight as I need to so that it feels secure, but it's also easy to move around. I slide my scrunchie down the ponytail so I can create a little hole and loop the hair from the bottom up to the top, but not all the way through. You don't want to pull it all the way through. You want to just pull through a loop, and then you're just going to fluff and pull like we do with all of our buns until you create the fullness you need. Don't forget you can use dry texture products to help your hair hold the shape a little better. And yeah, that's how you do it.
Now, once I am done with the back, I do like to come back around the front and just kind of organically pull out what naturally wants to fall out around my face. If you want something more planned and structured around your face, I would plan that before I started, but I kind of like to go with how my hair falls. It always kind of feels like it looks the most natural. So there is another scrunchie style. Kind of an alternative to your traditional messy bun. Usually this one is harder to see from the front. You really could play around with it, putting it higher up on your head, but this one I typically leave more to the back of my head, and for me this is a bit more of like a fancy messy bun, something if I want to wear my hair up, I'm going out, I want to put my hair up, but I don't necessarily want to just plop a messy bun on top of my head. This might be a style I go to. And again, like with all the other styles, the scrunchie makes it a little bit more gentle, helps to enhance volume and give your hair a little bit more of a bump so that it can have a little bit more of a structure to sit on and look a little bit bigger and fuller. And it is a pretty fun accessory if you get a bunch of colors like I have. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope that this gave you yet another fun hairstyle to add to your repertoire and that you enjoy creating these hairstyles and practicing them just as much as I do. Thank you so much for being here today. I love having you part of my DIY Hair School family. If you aren't yet a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much. Bye.